Hello to all fans of metal craftsmanship, everyone who loves forging axes, fire, or just stumbled upon my video. In this video I want to show you how to forge an axe from stainless steel grade 40x13. This steel is a bit harder to forge than regular high carbon steel, and to forge it manually I had to work up quite a sweat. I follow roughly the same principle when forging axes. First, I forge a rough shape, and by the time that's done I'm usually out of energy. So the angle grinder comes to the rescue, and I refine the final shape with it. Afterward, I can slightly refine the blade again through forging. With proper hardening, this steel can achieve good hardness and toughness in the range of 55 to 56 HRC Rockwell scale. For stainless steel, this is a sufficient level of hardness. As for axes made of high carbon steel, I harden them to about 59 HRC, depending on the axe's purpose and the steel grade. Before applying a pattern to the axe, I polish it. I found the pattern online and slightly modified it to make it unique and original. Here is how it turned out. I usually make the handle from ash. I like this ancient wood and its properties. However, besides ash, there are many other excellent types of wood that are well suited to this purpose and have beautiful grain patterns. So I sometimes use other types of wood as well. I made the handle using a reverse virgin method. This means I slide the axe head onto the handle from one end and keep pushing it until it fits tightly onto the shaft. This is a very reliable method because with every swing or strike or chop, the axe head will sit itself more securely onto the handle. I wrap the handle with natural leather, which gives the axe a great look and makes it very comfortable to hold. I love leather, wood and metal, and this axe combines all three of my favorite materials. Thank you all for watching and see you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to write. I'll try to answer them if I can. Thank you. Bye bye.